For years, HVAC systems in the Pacific Northwest were considered a luxury, but rising summer temperatures are changing that reality. With warmer summers and recurring wildfire smoke seasons, reliable HVAC systems are becoming essential for comfort and clean indoor air. Companies like Home Comfort Alliance report a growing number of homeowners scheduling spring maintenance long before the first 90-degree day arrives. Experts say routine HVAC maintenance isn't just about efficiency. A dirty coil or failing capacitor can trigger a chain reaction that leads to costly system failure during peak summer heat. In regions like the Puget Sound area, HVAC systems also act as a critical defense against allergens and wildfire smoke, helping maintain clean air when windows must remain closed. Homeowners can handle simple tasks themselves, like replacing air filters every 1 to 3 months. But professionals recommend seasonal inspections to ensure the system runs safely and efficiently. A professional tune-up includes refrigerant calibration, electrical diagnostics, airflow testing, and system cleaning, ensuring performance when temperatures rise. As summers grow warmer across the Pacific Northwest, spring HVAC maintenance is no longer optional. It's becoming essential.